Welcome once again to Cooking with Gas. Stop that! We're professionals.
You owe me a ding-dong.
Put it on my tab. Okay. I'm your host, Butch Crockett, and this is my assistant, Virgil Boone.
Hey.
Hey, Virgil. Well, we're excited today because Virgil and I have finally been invited to go on a deer hunt with the boys. But that doesn't mean we can shirk our responsibilities here at deer camp. I promised the boys a big old pork roast, and that's what they're gonna get. So let's get at it, Virgil. First, you need a 10-pound pork roast. Now, that's what we've got here. And just season to taste, get a nice blend in there. And the key to this is, you set the oven at 450 degrees and you put this baby in there for 4 hours. No more, no less. If you do that, it's gonna come out tender, tasty, and succulent. Yes, get that all over there and let's massage that in a little bit. Yes, sir. Mmm. Oh, that's gonna be good. Now, Virgil, remember, 4 hours. I want you to watch the time. Can you do it?
I can tell time by the sun.
Well, I hope so, Tonto. Let's get this baby in there. Yes, sir. Now let's go hunt. Come on. Oh, no, I knew we stayed out there too long. Virgil! Virgil, get in here and bring the oven mitts. Get this thing out of there. Oh, sit it down, sit it down. Oh. It's ruined. It is ruined. You just had to follow those tracks, didn't you?
Well, Butch, they look like deer tracks.
Yeah. And where did they lead us?
Mr. Peterson's barn.
And what did we find there?
A goat.
A goat.
Named Eddie.
A goat named Eddie, that's right. And because of you and that darn goat, you have ruined my roast, you have ruined my dinner, and you have ruined my life.
Butch! Butch, it'll be all right. Who wants an end piece? Who wants a middle piece? Who wants a piece between the end and the middle? All right, I tell you what, I'm just gonna go ahead and slice it up and let y'all fight over it.
What in the world was that?
Hi folks, I'm Willie.
I'm Billy.
From the critically unclaimed TV series, Spotlight on Deer. You know, and during deer hunting, a lot of guys during the middle of the day, they'll take a nap or what have you. But Billy and I, we like to go out and predator hunt in the middle of the day. We got us a little electronic predator call. Predator season's open year round, and this is a way that we enjoy amusing ourselves.
Yes,
All righty. You ready?
I'm ready.
Here's a hunting tip a lot of hunters overlook. When booking a deer hunt, never rule out the possibility of getting in a secondary hunt for pheasants, dove, quail. Here's what happened to me last year on a duck hunt with Realtree's Michael Waddell. You talk about a dedicated hunter, Michael will do whatever it takes.
Hey man, ducks flying much over here? I'm gonna tell you what, I seen a lot of them down the river there. You mean over there?
Yeah, right over there. Yeah.
Hey, thanks.
You should see this dude run deer.